How to fix Samsung phone keeps restarting. If your Samsung phone keeps restarting, it can be quite frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to try to fix the issue. 1. Restart the phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears, then select restart. 2. Check for software updates. Ensure that your phone's operating system and apps are up to date. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that could resolve the restarting issue. 3. Boot into safe mode. Booting into safe mode can help determine if a third-party app is causing the problem. To boot into safe mode, press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears. Press and hold the power off option until you see the safe mode prompt. Tap safe mode to reboot your phone in safe mode. If your phone doesn't restart in safe mode, it's likely that a third-party app is causing the problem. You can then uninstall recently installed apps one by one to identify the culprit. 4. Clear Cache Partition. Cached data can sometimes cause issues with the phone's performance. Clearing the cache partition can help resolve these issues. To clear the cache partition, turn off the phone. Press and hold the volume up button and the Bixby button, then press and hold the power button. When the Samsung logo appears, release all buttons. Turn off the phone. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache partition and press the power button to select it. Once the cache partition is cleared, restart the phone. 5. Factory reset. If none of the above solutions work, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your phone, so make sure to back up your important files first. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, then General Management, then Reset. Select Factory Data Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. 6. Hardware issue. If the problem persists even after a factory reset, it's possible that there is a hardware issue with your phone. In this case, you may need to contact Glasgow Repair Centre, a service centre for further assistance. Thank you for watching.